हेलो एवरीबॉडी, मेरा नाम सौम्या है। मैं आपकी साइकिक हूँ, टायर कार्ड रीडर हूँ, प्लस हीलर हूँ। सो होप आप लोगों ने अपने अपने पाइल चूज़ कर लिए होंगे। लेट मी क्लियर आउट ऑल द एनर्जी ओवर हियर फ्रॉम ऑल द कार्ड्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर पाइल वन। जिनने भी पाइल वन चूज़ किया है, ये शेल विच इज इन ब्राउन कलर एंड ग्रे एंड वाइट मिक्स कलर. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज देयर फॉर यू. Pile 1. What is coming there for you regarding July prediction? I'll keep this cards aside. So let's start with our pile 1. Let's see what is there for you for July 2021. So are you ready? Pile 1. देखते हैं क्या है आपके लिए. So I'll take first from Energy Oracle. There is caring connection. Hope you can see your pile. Caring connection. So there is a caring connection right now. You can deal with a person who will be like very caring for you. If you are married, then this connection will be more over like a caring connection. Your person will be caring a lot about you a lot. They will see you as their like child. ये आपको अपने child की तरह देखेंगे. ये बहुत ही caring connection होएगा आपका इनके साथ. And number 14 is very relevant over here for most of you. And this July is starting with lots of care. In fact, you will be very caring towards yourself. You will be like start caring about your looks, about your work, everything which you haven't think about to even care. You will be start caring about yourself. Secondly, July is bringing you love of caring connection. So you might deal with person who is lot more care about you, about anything. So this person will be very much caring. There is perception in green in color. So you need to like connect with nature. Universe is saying you, if you are not connected with nature and you are making perceptions in your mind that this is not happening, this is not good, or you are making any stories in your mind, pile 1, stop making stories, because your perception will not take you anywhere. You need to connect with nature. You need to meditate, because you can see lots of butterflies around wherever you will go, because your ancestors wants to connect to you. And this transformation is like it will bring you a big success. And what you are seeing like a butterfly, lots of butterflies, lots of doves, birds around. So this is a sign of your transformation. If you don't know the spiritual meaning of butterflies, do search in Google, you will get it. It means a transformation in the spiritual meaning of your card. Let's see what is there in love. So there is, stay optimistic about your love life. As I said, there will be a caring person coming in your life. This person would be very much caring about you, very much loving towards you, and you need to stay optimistic. Don't make perceptions. Don't make any talks in your mind regarding whomsoever you are meeting around. This will not lead you anywhere. So you need to stay optimistic, pile 1. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. So you need to stay positive, stay optimistic, because there is a caring connection, caring person coming your way. If you are single, definitely you will be getting a person who will be much caring regarding your ex. You might have great losers. Okay, pile 1. I'm getting a feeling like you might have great losers in your past. You might be divorced from a loser person. So you don't need to worry. You will be getting a caring person, a caring man, a caring woman who will be definitely caring about you. And let's see more. So there is 2 of Wands from Tarot card. I'll keep this card aside like this. 3 of Wands. So you could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo or Sagittarius over here. I am getting a sign like you are waiting for something. You are waiting for a miracle. That's why you're making lots of perception in your mind that if I'll do this thing or I'll do that thing, so this thing will not happen. But this is not like that. You will be having like lots of miracles coming your way. You need to stay just optimistic. 5 of Swords. So you are right now blindfolded. People around you are throwing many bad vibes. You are getting day by day negative. And so you are like just stucking around right now. What I am getting the vibes, आप बहुत ज़्यादा अटकते जा रहे हो किसी ना किसी चीज़ को लेकर. एंड कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ये भी दिख रहा है कि आपके सराउंडिंग्स में आपको क्रोज बहुत दिख सकते होंगे, रेवन्स बहुत दिखते होंगे. एंड दे आर लाइक they want to say you something. Either someone did to you a black magic, either they are spoiling your life. So you can see a rounding of lots of crows. And but You need to keep your eyes open because you will get success if you will go more far. You don't need to wait for miracles and make your perceptions regarding anything or anyone. Just move on from your past, move on from the person you are with. Maybe you are feeling toxic with this person. Maybe your surroundings, people are not happy with you. They feel a lot of jealousy. And let's see more what angels wants to say. Then I'll clear out from your energy, like for pile 1 what's there for July, what is your outcome. So you need to remain positive, pile 1, because from here now there will be lots of miracles coming your way. A year from now रिमेन पॉजिटिव, इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको अभी से बहुत ही पॉजिटिव सोचना है, आपके लिए परसेप्शन नहीं बनाना है माइंड में, बिकॉज आपकी लाइफ में बहुत कोई ऐसा पर्सन आएगा जो आपको बहुत केयर करेगा. मे बी आपको ऑप्शन बहुत मिल रहे हैं, आप किसी चीज़ को वेट करने का चूज़ कर रहे हो, किसी को येस बोलने का वेट कर रहे हो. यू हैव माइट मीट दिस पर्सन फ्यू डेज बैक, और यू हैव माइट मीट दिस पर्सन इन जुलाई. दिस पर्सन वुड बी वेरी केयरिंग टूवर्ड्स यू. इफ़ नॉट जुलाई, ये जून के एंड वक्त में भी आपके पास आ सकते हैं. And you might meet this person through online for most of you. This could be a connection of long distance, moreover. So you need to remain positive. Stop making perception in your mind. Stop imagining like you are daydreaming a lot. You are making perceptions a lot. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कहानियाँ बिल्ड कर रहे हो अपने दिमाग में, वो मत करो because you are messing up with 5 of Swords. Let's clear out your energy, pile 1. Then we'll move to pile 2 for July 2021. So spirits, please guide me. What is the outcome for pile 1 July 2021? What they need to hear? What is coming towards there for pile 1 for July 2021? So I got your 3 card, and end of the deck is 4 of Pentacles. You are making, आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा माइंड में ना बहुत होल्ड करके बैठा हुआ है आपने. मे बी बिकॉज यू माइट हैव फाइनेंशियल इशूज़ ओवर हियर, और योर पार्टनर माइट हैव financial issues here, and you are like getting very tired, and your past led you to 5 of Swords energy, which is like 4 of Swords and 5 of Swords. Like you want to get out, but you are still not able to get out of your past, of whatever tensions you are having, you are facing. It's because you are it's because you are making your own story, pile 1. आप लोग अपनी खुद की कहानी खुद से बना रहे हो, इसलिए वो आपको इस चीज़ में लीड कर रहा है एंड इस चीज़ में लीड कर रहा है, विच इज़ यू आर टायर्ड ऑफ एवरीथिंग. यू डोंट वांट टू मूव ऑन ओनली. यू थिंक इफ माई पास्ट वॉज लाइक दिस, देन माई प्रेजेंट कुड बी ऑल्सो लाइक सेम फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ यू. फॉर अदर्स, यू आर फेसिंग लॉट्स ऑफ फाइनेंशियल इशूज़. पाइल 1, यू आर फेसिंग लॉट्स ऑफ फाइनेंशियल इशूज़. योर थिंग्स आर गेटिंग वेरी स्लो. इट इज़ बीइंग पोस्टपोन्ड एंड यू आर होल्डिंग इट अ लॉट. You are like you don't want to let go either. You are not letting go, and you are holding on to it. So universe is saying you to let go, to let come. Until you let go this situation, things will not come like in a perfect way. You will not get your coin. You will be not focused on your career. I feel you are not focused on your career right now. That's why you are not letting go. And universe is saying you like once you let go, you will be like a king of pentacles or queen of pentacles. You will be having lots of abundance around. There will be an empress coming your way. It will be like abundance once you let go. July is all about abundance. So you will be leaving lots of past traumas behind. You will be stop making stories about yourself, your life, other people around. Pile 1. So this was my reading for pile 1. Hope it resonated with you. Do let me know in comment box if anything resonated with you. I love to hear your stories. Thank you, pile 1. So hi pile 2, those who have chosen this white creamy shell. Let's see what is there for pile 2. Okay, this card has fallen on so fast. I won't take this one right now. I'll start from my energy oracle. So walking away. So number 27 can be your age, either your person's age. So I feel, I sense you might have walked away from someone. This person has hurt you a lot in past and they have kept you waiting. Pile 2. So you decided to walk away from this person because this person is just hurting you. For some, for others, I feel you have walked away from your career. You have left your jobs. So let's see more. What is there for you more? Guilt from Chakra Oracle. Number orange is very much relevant over here for pile 2. You can wear orange color right now or in July. orange, pink can be very much relevant over here. So I'm sensing like you have walked away, but this person is still feeling guilt. Like why you have walked away from this, because this person is like they want to confess again sorry to you in July. They can come towards you or might have like been like this person has walked away from you. इस person ने आपसे walk away किया तो एक guilt खा रहे हैं कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा, and कुछ ऐसा है जो आपको भी गिल्ट खा सकता है पास्ट में. So there is a very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So I am sensing like आपको हो सकता है बहुत ज़्यादा गिल्ट हो रहा हो किसी चीज़ का. You are having so much of guilt that you are not able to decide what you want. Okay, so universe is saying you have to decide, quick decide what you really want. Let's check out your tarot card, then I'll clear out your more energy. There is Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, the Emperor, Aries, Leo or Sagittarius. This is moreover Aries person. So this person is Aries who has left you. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. There can be relevant for you or this person. So this person is having guilt and this person is not able to decide what they want. They are not settled by their mind. And this person could act very much childish at a time. They are having very much leader qualities. They want to be in a leadership, and it can be you also who could be having a leader qualities. You are deciding right now to just move forward and concentrate with your career. Right now you're just focused on career, but somewhere you are not able to decide regarding your love life what you want. So Knight of Pentacles says like you are heading towards your goals. You are not stopping. You are just having like a pause over there, and you just want to just move, and you are already ready. Whatever is coming towards you, you will be ready in the month of July, and you will be on your own leader with the Emperor card. So let's see what Angel wants to say you, then I'll clear out the energy. So there is trust. Pile 2. Start trusting yourself, because very soon, there will be some person coming up towards you. They will be very much passionate about you, and this person can walk very slowly towards you, but they won't stop. Once they come towards you, they will not leave you. And let me check the more things. So there is within the next few weeks in the month of July, within a starting month or within a next few weeks, you will be deciding what you want. So in July you will be meeting this person who will be having lots of leadership qualities, and they will be focused on more over their pentacles, their work. So you need to trust yourself, because even if you are looking for a work, you will be moving very slowly. You won't be like doing very rushing. You will not be rushing. You will be first searching in July what you want, what you really want. You will be clearly deciding what you want regarding your work, so that your guilt will be just finished, and you will be like getting ready for your work, for your career, for your love life. You will be start accepting this person, because you know this person will be very focused. For some of you, this person might act childish, might not listen to you very fast if you are dating this person, but this person will be slowly coming up towards you. Let me clear out the energy now. Pile 2. So what is there for pile 2 in the coming month of July? Spirits, please can you guide me relevantly? Please can you guide me relevantly for the month of July? What is coming there for pile 2? What is coming there for pile 2? Seven of Cups. So you are thinking a lot, you are having lots of options. That's why you are not able to decide what you want. You can get lots of options. You can see one person a lot in your dreams also. If you are in no contact with this person, if this is a new person, this person can come in your dreams in the month of July or the end of the June. So there is Ace of Swords. Very quick energy, very new beginning is coming your way. Pile 2. So you need to decide what you want. And for most of you, you will be compromising regarding your love or career. Justice. For pile 2, I will say like whatever karmic situation you are going through, in the month of July, you will be having that new beginning which will be leading you to a justice. and within the next few weeks you will be start getting many signs. And there is Knight of Cups, so many Knight energy. So this person can be very much thinking about you. You can get lots of offers, lots of job offers. And if you're thinking in love, so yes, definitely there is a person coming your way with a proposal, with a marriage proposal, commitment proposal, or any kind of such a proposal. But this person will be like very much deep thinker and very much focused on their work. So this person will be taking a slow move, and you will be definitely getting justice with this person. You can see number 222 a lot, 1111, and you might be had heartbreak at past, and but you will be having a new beginning, because you are very beautiful person out here who are like mystics over here, who are witches, who are tarot card readers, and other astrologers. If you are watching this, hi, you are really beautiful. You are beautiful by your looks. So stop worrying, because within the next few weeks you will be deciding what you want. And in the month of July, you will be meeting this person who will be having a leadership qualities, plus they could be a deep thinker, emotional, and only want you. And this person will never stop regarding you. So there will be a new beginning in July, in coming of 1 week. Okay, 1 week, yes. So July is bringing you lots of surprises, Pile 2. Hope my reading resonated with you. Do let me know on comment box if you felt resonated. Thank you, Pile 2. Hi, Pile 3, those who have chosen this brown and light brown shell over here, which is very small. Let's see what is there for you, Pile 3, in the month of July. Yeah, sorry. So, yes. Okay, I got so confused with my pile over here. So, there is a contract over here, number 6. So universe is saying you can get like a contract, soul contract by your work, and soul contract with your person, whosoever coming your way. This person can have like lots of like soul connection with you. Universe is sending you this person because your karmic cycle has ended now. In the month of July, there will be a soul connection coming towards you. There will be a contract with you both. You both will be having a contract. This card is just like justice. Like in pile 2, you can also watch that pile. If it's resonating with you, you can definitely watch it, because if this pile is for you, then definitely that pile can be also for you, because there was a justice card. So this card is just like a justice contract. So karmic cycle is ending, and there is a soul contract coming towards you within 6 weeks or 6 days of July. You can get this person you will be having a soul contract with. So there is a growth, green color. So like you are right now, I'm sensing you are having a growth. Right now you are having a growth in your work. You were not able to decide in past what you needed, and that's why your growth was stopped. Somewhere you were feeling stuck, pile 3. But right now you are having that growth. So let's check out what your other pile will says in love. So there is getting to know each other. So yes, this is a new love. This could be your soulmate also, or either a twin flame. For others, this could be your karmic soulmate. So you both can have a soul connection, and you might have talked with each other right now. You would be meeting in July this person, and you will be start to getting know each other, which will be growing your love more ahead, and which will be leading you both into a marriage situation or engagement situation for some of you. So let's see what your cards will say now. So there is 8 of Wands, which was reversed, so I will take it reverse. So somewhere in past, as I said, your growth was stopped. You were stuck, and you are still feeling stuck. But you no need to get stuck, because this is your soul connection, and you have to have trust in yourself, because this person will be having a, like you both will having a contract with each other. Like universe is bringing you both together. You don't need to worry, because this person is coming towards you, and they will be very much balanced, and they will be coming up very fast. And regarding your career, if you are saying you are feeling stuck right now, you are not able to decide what you want, so that's why somewhere your growth has been stopped. Let's see what angels wants to say you. So you need to be assertive. Just open your eyes, pile 3. Be assertive. Don't close your eyes. just decide what you want so that you don't feel stuck. And there is there will be in the near future, so you need to decide clearly what you want, because in the near future there will be a faster growth coming your way. Everything you want, whatever you want, so this will be changing into a miracle very, very, very fast in the month of July. Your wish will be coming true. You can get a phone call from this person, either if you are in a no contact zone. So you need to be assertive. In the near future, you might get some job offers or any business deal will come true. And definitely this it could be a new person, which could be a fire sign and either a Scorpion energy. Let me clear out your energy pile 3. So let's check out what is there for pile 3. Angels, please guide me. What is there for pile 3? What is there for pile 3 for July 2021? So what is there for pile 3 for July 2021? So there is Queen of Pentacles. So you could be over here either a businesswoman or a businessman or someone who has their own stability to do anything. You can be an independent woman over here, and you are taking a slow move. You are settling down your own setup right now, and you can be a pet lover over here for most of you. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, pile 3. So there is 3 of Wands. So yes, once you get out of your stuck energy with 8 of Wands reverse, and yes, you are getting out, you will be getting out pile 3. आप लोग निकल जाओगे अपने stuck energy से, and yes, you will be in the mode of Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and there will be a happy family, happiness coming your way, and everything will be like just fine. If you are getting emotional, that thing will be getting into more happiness with 10 of Cups. So there is the World. Yes, things will be coming your way. Your karmic cycle will be start ending, and within the month of July there will be a new beginning coming your way. So this was my reading for pile 3. Hope it resonated with you. Do let me know on comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, and do share your views, your comments. I would love to hear your stories. Thank you. Bye bye.